Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. If you play in Forever Winter and you have glitches and lines here on your screen, so vertical lines, it means that you should enable the vertical synchronization on your settings. And how to do that, I'm gonna show you right now. To do that, you just should open Options, then in Options find Display. In the Display, scroll down and find here Vertical Sync. And just enable this feature. It will synchronize your FPS and the refresh rate of your screen. And because of it, you don't see these strange vertical lines in your game. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.